With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, our question is a horizontal string fixed at a two end is vibrating in its fifth harmonic according to the equation, and we are given with the equation here. Assuming p is equal to, this is pi and it is 3.14, the correct statements are, we have to find which of the following statements are correct. So we start by drawing the wave, and we know that it's oscillating in its fifth harmonic, so we draw it like this. And in the other direction, it will be like this. Okay, it's not an accurate diagram, but still we can manage with it. Okay, so these are two ends, and there will be node at the two ends. So this will be the length of string. Let me draw it like this. Okay, so this will be our L, and we know that the distance between two nodes is nothing but lambda by 2. So this distance will be our lambda by 2. So how many nodes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the total distance will be 5 lambda by 2, and it will be equal to length of string. Okay, so from here we can easily calculate the length of string, and we can easily check our second option, but we have to find lambda, and we are given with the equation. So from equation we can find lambda, as we know that it is our k, and k is nothing but 2 pi by lambda. So our lambda will be simply 2 pi by k, and k is here in meters, and it is 62.8. So we write the value of k, it will be 2 pi by 62.8. So if we put the lambda in the equation, we can easily calculate L. So our L will be 5 by 2 times of into 2 pi upon 62.8. We put the value of pi, it will be 3.14. 2 will get cancelled out. So our L will be, after simplification, it will be 0.25 meters. So we can see that our second option is correct. So it is our answer for second option. So our correct statement will be second one. And if we talk about number of nodes, so we can count it from the diagram. This is our one node, this is our second node, this is third, this is fourth, and our fifth and sixth nodes. So we can easily count the number of nodes, and the number of nodes is 6. So we write number of nodes is 6. So it's not 5. We can clearly see it. So our first option is incorrect. So we put it like this. Now if we check our third option, so our third option says the maximum displacement of the midpoint of string from its equilibrium position is 0.01 meters. So our midpoint of string will be what? It will be L by 2, which is this one. Okay, so these are nodes like this we are putting here. So between, in the midpoint of two nodes, it must be a antinode. So at antinode, amplitude will be maximum. We write at antinodes, A will be A max. That is what? In this case, our equation has maximum amplitude what? 0.01. So A max will be 0.01 meters at the midpoint of string, which is true. So our third option will also be true. If we talk about our fourth option, so our fourth option is about what? Fundamental frequency. So we write in D part, F is what? Our fundamental frequency, and it will be velocity upon 2L. Okay, so our velocity will be simply omega by K. We know both the values. We know the value of omega from equation and also the value of K. So we put it here. Our omega will be 628 and our K will be 62.8 meters. So our velocity will be simply 10 meter per second. And if we put this in our formula, so our F will be 10 upon 2 into length, which is 0.25. So if we simplify it, it will be 0.5, which is equal to our how much? It will be 0.5, so it will be 100 by 5, which is 20 hertz. So our fundamental frequency will be 20 hertz. So we write it fundamental frequency. But in the option, the value of fundamental frequency is given 100, so it is false. So this is our question and we have completed it. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.